Explaining and demonstrating number system. It's me, Asset Channel. Number system. The number system is a way to represent and express numbers using symbols and rules. It is the foundation of mathematics and it is used in everything from simple counting to complex scientific calculation. Different number system. Binary to decimal to decimal to octal, 3 decimal to x decimal, 4 hexadecimal to binary. What is binary? A binary number is a number written in base 2 using only two digits, 0 and 1. Example of binary. What is a decimal? A decimal is a way of presenting numbers that are not whole using a decimal point. Example, a whole number 5. Decimal number 5.75. What is octal? Octal is a base 8 number system that means to use only 8 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each place value in value. Octal represent a power of 8, just like decimal base 10 uses. Example of octal. What is hexadecimal? The hexadecimal system is a base 16 number system used frequently in computing and digital electronics. It is more compact than binary and easier for humans to read. Binary to decimal. To convert a binary number to decimal, you multiply each bit by 2 raised to the starting from 0 on the right, then sum the results. Bit 1011, pos 3210, pos 3210. Now multiply each bit by 2 position. Number is 1011. Decimal to octal. To convert a decimal number to octal, you divide the number by 8 repeatedly, keeping track of the remainders. The octal number is the remainders read in reverse bottom to top. Step 2. Let's convert 156 decimal to octal. Equals 9 remainder. 156 plus 8 equals 9 remainder 4. 19 plus 8 equals 2 remainder 3. 2 plus 8 equals 0 remainder 2. Now read the remainders from bottom to top. Decimal 156 equals octal 234. To convert a decimal number to hexadecimal, you repeatedly divide the decimal number by 16 and keep track of the remainders. The hexadecimal number 3 decimal, 54 decimal, 2 hexadecimal. 254 plus 16 equals 15 remainder 14. 15 plus 16 equals 0 remainder 15. Now map the remainder to hexadecimal digits 0 and 9, then A and F, 15 and F, 14 and E. Read from bottom to top V. So decimal 254 hexadecimal V. Hexadecimal to binary. Converting hexadecimal to binary is a super straightforward because each digit corresponds exactly to. Example, convert 2FR F3 hex to binary 2N 0010 FN 1111 3N 0011. Result 2F3 hex equals 001011110011 binary. Thank you for watching.